and let's listen to it first.
Me in this condition, and now you say I'm not the woman you married?
I never meant for this, but you're not the same. I'm sorry, I don't know who you are anymore.
Please, don't walk away from me.
I can't do this right now.
We need to talk about this.
So you click on the sign up button. So when you click on the sign up button, you're going to see all these options here. X, sign up with X, sign up with email, sign up with Apple, sign up with Google. So what we are going to do here is very magical, and this favors people that owns a Twitter account known as X. This is how you can actually use Super Croc for free and generate high quality videos with perfect lip syncing with no stress. So I'm just going to click on continue with X, log in with Google, and I can already this which has with this email. Please log in using the login method shown below or create a new account. So let's click on login with Google. Make sure you have Grok app in your phone. Do you understand? So it has redirected me to my Grok app, and when it directed me to my Grok app, I'm going to click on those three lines just to show you guys something. And when you come here, you can see my name here. This is the same email address linked to my Twitter account. So when I click here, you can see that I'm already using Super Croc. Can you see it right here? Super Croc, which is active. Can you see it? So I'm already using this Super Croc. And if you don't have access, or if you don't have an X account, formerly known as Twitter, you won't be able to access this, right? So what I need to do just to go back, and when I go back, so first of all, I want to show you guys something. I didn't know that it's going to turn us like this. So when you come to X, all right, I have Twitter app here. So when you click on this X, first of all, you need to subscribe to the upgraded version of Grok. So click on your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, you are going to see premium X. So when you click on that, you are going to see these options. You are going to see the basic option, you are going to see the premium option, and also you are going to see the premium plus. You can see that with this premium option, you can use Super Grok. Do you understand? Usage limit is higher. Super Croc, early access to new features, all these things is what you are going to be seeing if you are currently using the premium. Like if you subscribe to X premium, so if you now subscribe to this premium plus, you are going to have a full access to everything. Do you understand? So I don't know why my own is high. Some people own is $3, some people own is $2. I don't know why my own premium subscription is $11. All right, so when you subscribe, this is basically for people that do African folktale content, all those stuff like that. So this is basically for you. So we have successfully logged in, and I'm going to click on the interface just so that we could generate one video. So what you need to do just to click on this imagine. So when you click on imagine, you are going to see a couple of things here. Look at some of the templates here. Let's generate one video. Basically, I don't have any idea of what to generate, but I'm just doing this for the purpose of the tutorial. Before you generate any video, click on this icon here. So when you click here, make sure you set your video to a specific ratio. These are the ratio like 16.9, 9.16, 1.1, 3.2. As for me, I'm creating YouTube video, so I put it in 16.9. So you now have this default video duration. When you come here, you can see 6 seconds. So with this Super Clock, you can actually generate video of 6 seconds, and also your default resolution is 720 pixels, which is higher than 480 that we were using before. And what I did was also to turn off this automatically generate video, because the moment you put in your picture, Grok will automatically generate video for you without waiting for you to put in your prompt, and the video will not come out well. Do you understand? So I make sure that I turn off all those and I toggle this on. So click here. They are going to bring in the picture. You click on animate. The first one is if you want to edit the picture. Then the second one is if you have what you want to animate. So let's just try and bring up this image. So I want to say got married to. This one just like I don't want to go to ChatGPT process. Let's just use a simple way to generate our script and wait for our video to be generated. I'm just okay. Let's play our video and see. And trust me, this comes out perfectly well.
You put me in this condition, and now you say I'm not the woman you married?
I never meant for this, but you're not the same. I'm sorry, I don't know who you are anymore.
Or longer, I will just click on this extend. So I'm going to add another script to it, and this also helps to maintain the same character consistency. I can say this is basically like just
Say I'm not the woman.
I'm doing. So I'm just gonna pause it and okay guys, this is just so amazing. If I just want to make this script more longer, I would click on those three dots and click on the extend. That's why I will be making this video longer. But let's just based on
You
how I point. Imagine if I've gotten this script very well. Imagine if I've scripted this very well. This video would have turned out perfectly well. So I will just go ahead and click here to download it. You can see download started. When it's done downloading, okay, download completed. So if I should go to my gallery right now, this super crop feature is the most amazing so far. So when I come here, this is the video we just generated 20 seconds. If I want to extend it
you
more,
put
I
me
click
in this
on
condition, and
putting in
now
the
you say I'm
prompt,
not the woman you married?
excuse me, and
I
that's
never
how
meant
it
for this, but
comes
you're
out. You
not the
can see
same.
how the character
I'm
is
sorry, I don't know who you
consistent
are
and
anymore.
also the
Please
perfect
don't
lip
walk away from
syncing.
me.
And you can
I
see
can't do
how high
this right now.
quality the video is. So
We need
make
to
sure you like,
talk about
subscribe,
this.
because more amazing tutorials are coming about this. Of the more update about this Grok AI is coming. Don't miss out. Bye.